What's up, guys? When taking delivery of your Tesla, it's a very exciting time. However, there are 7 things that you should do immediately, and in this video today I'm going to tell you exactly what they are, and I'm starting right now. One of the first things that you should do immediately whenever taking delivery of your Tesla is to give your car a thorough inspection. You want to make sure that there are no panel gaps, no paint defects, no rock chips, that there is no rattling, that everything is intact. Because whenever paying more than $60,000 for your car, you want to make sure that you're getting quality. Because Tesla have been known to have build quality issues. In my opinion, they have improved over the years. However, you don't want to leave anything to chance. And there's also a channel out there, it's called The Electric Man, and I love this channel because The Electric Man, he goes through and give a thorough inspection of new Teslas that's coming right from the Fremont and also the Texas factory. So I'm going to leave the link to his channel down below. Check it out if you need to know more of what you should look out for. And another thing that you should do immediately after taking delivery of your Tesla is to sync your phone to your car. Yes, Teslas come with key fobs and also key cards. However, whenever you sync your phone to your car, now you can activate phone key. And phone key is Tesla's way to say now your phone is now your key. Not only whenever you approach the car does the car unlock and you're ready to drive, you will have countless of features available right at your fingertips. Everything from climate control, sensory mode, charging stats. There are so many things that you can do through the app and by syncing your phone to your car, and not to mention also Bluetooth features such as music streaming services that may not already be available on the Tesla. Now that you have your phone synced to your car, the next thing that you want to do immediately is to set up your driver profile. So to set up your driver profile, the first thing that you want to do is click up at the top where you see the little person up there. I'm going to click there and I'm going to click driver profile setting. Now you can set your own driver profile by putting in the information. So I'm just going to type in a name here. I'm going to say that I'm Jesse. And after that, you're just going to follow the prompts and it will give you directions on how to set up your driver profile. And also with the driver profile, it affects the way that the car drives as well. So you do want to set this up. So you can go to pedal and steering on your main menu. And if you want chill, standard, comfort, if you want to roll whole, it's best to maximize the regenerative braking, which helps out the battery. And you have a lot of different things right here, even whenever it deals with autopilot. And this is great because it's almost like a set it and forget it. You pretty much adjust the car like you want it, and every time that you get in, you can go to your driver profile and everything will automatically adjust to your liking. And also, whenever you take delivery of your Tesla, you want to make sure that wherever you're parking your Tesla, that you're going to have a great Wi-Fi connection overnight where you live. Because the benefit of owning the Tesla is the over-the-air software updates. So in order to set up your Wi-Fi, what you want to do is you're going to click on the car icon, and whenever your screen come up, you see over here the Wi-Fi symbol on the right hand corner. You're going to click there, and now you're going to search for your Wi-Fi. And if you want to set up a new Wi-Fi setting, and now you're able to enter in your Wi-Fi. And also from this screen, you enter in your information and your password, and you click connect and add network to your Tesla. And after taking delivery of your Tesla, another thing that you want to do immediately is set up your home address in your car. Not only is this for ease of use whenever you're using navigation, your car will enable and disable certain features whenever your car knows it's at home. Just say if you want to turn off your sensory mode because you're parking in the garage, or you want to fold your mirrors in order to get into the garage. Or in my car, I also have Home Link. So whenever the car realizes that I'm at home, the garage door will automatically open whenever I arrive and automatically close whenever I'm leaving my home location. Setting up your home address in your Tesla, that's very imperative immediately after taking delivery of your Tesla. Now, you should do this immediately after taking delivery, if not before, and that's knowing exactly how you're going to charge your car. Because yes, the 515 charger that it used to come with, I heard it doesn't come with the car anymore. Some people say, yeah, I'm gonna get the car and I'm gonna charge it at home using this little adapter. But let me just tell you that this adapter only gets you about roughly 3 to 4 miles per hour that you're charging. So overnight, it's not gonna really give you a lot of mileage. If you're driving not a lot during the day, maybe this is okay with you. With my car, I went back and installed a NEMA 1450. Now with the NEMA 1450, I'm able to get around 30 to 35 miles per hour of charging. So overnight, I'm plugging it in whenever I get home in the evening. And by the time I wake up in the morning in order to start my day and go to work, I have a full charge ready to go for the entire day. And you also want to consider accessories right away whenever purchasing your Tesla for things like floor mats, because the floor mats that come with the Tesla, let's face it, they're very flimsy and it's like glorified cardboard. And also you have screen protectors and other things that will make your Tesla experience worth the while, which I go over those accessories in the video right here on your screen. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss another video, and I will see you in the next video.